Alright, just a bit of an update on my layout, my end scale layout. Starting to do some mountains now, which is very interesting. Obviously haven't stuck down any of these portals yet, but I need to. So I've stuck down a lot of the existing polystyrene to make the actual mountain faces. I want to make some edging around the actual tunnels themselves and get them done. I'm going to be removing these tracks first so I can just make sure I plaster all around it, as you can see, because it's not entirely centered to when I essentially set it up, but at the same time I'm still pretty happy with it. So I'm kind of, you can see there's a lot of track around the front end of the layout itself. This is the other side of the board where it all intertwines. So I'm aiming for having, I guess, a bit of a cliff face element with this track, with this raised section there. So it should be, look like a bit of fun. Got to leave this section open, thinking like maybe a bit of a quarry or something where the track just passes straight through, up along here as well. Maybe a little bit of a township, something, I'm not sure, a bit of a town right in the center of the layout there. It's almost, you could almost say it's a big mountain range type of layout. So yeah, along this middle section here I'll have the station depot. So obviously, because I wanted basically this line here to service all these areas as well, so hence the reason we've got the station there, bit of a platform along this track, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's the layout as it is. Pretty happy with it so far. So yeah, post your comments. Obviously I'm not an expert at any of this, well, only going by history over the years. There's a controllers section where all my controls are. I'm going to be blacking out obviously a lot of this area under here, but it allows for adequate access, and I say adequate because it is, fingers crossed, not too many issues. Got to do some tunnels here, up there, all open section there. Tunnels. Loving it, good fun. So yeah, that's me. That's my layout so far. You enjoy.